Hello, hi traders. Welcome to my channel. So this is one of my student account. So today I am doing trade in his account because he lost some money because of his frustration. So let me already I took some two trades. Actually I was watching and explaining, but I am not recording only. I just saw now, then I got to know. So why I took this trade is after this doji buyer's entry, so again buyer's entry, so this is I will consider as a pair and one more buyer's entry. So next candle was a strong sellers and made a new low and a reversal sign too, so only I placed here a lower option. So this is my second trade. Actually, whenever market reaching at this price, market getting reversed, but when I see this reversal candle, I mean reversal candle and as well as continuation candle. So this continuation candle has to make one more sellers, but here again buyers enter because of the level and the strong rejections in this market. Actually, you can see here whenever I used to take trades, I will be trading at trendy market, but here today I'm doing at ranging or some consolidation area. Even this one also because market is not good today. See, I guess some news also released. See here also, even here also. So I guess it's not good to take trades now because he gave me $4, just 1.74 only. It got increased because I took only two trades. So as we see here, strong sellers entry. So again strong sellers. When again strong sellers enter, because of the pressure, sellers may enter, and there is a level too because there is a level also, but not that much strong level. Okay, buyers entered, sellers are still interested, and as well as there is a chance to enter sellers. I will go with sellers. Okay. It's a late entry. Sorry, I wanted to take trade for a lower option, but it got late. It will be for next candle. So we'll see of if it's even if it's a buyers also next candle there is a chance to enter again a sellers as because it's a strong sellers bearish momentum. So we'll see why here now there are more chances to enter sellers, but I'm not sure it will close below my entry point or not. There is a more chances to close below my entry point only because there is some strong sellers entry and even this one also very strong. So we'll see here now. So it became a doji. I thought it will go for a lower option, but it's okay. So market is very bad. We can't able to take trades at any cost because whenever market is getting reversed in many times. So we'll try to take only one more trade if it's possible. So this is the life goes, but it has to be okay. So again buyers entry. So again buyers. So as we see here, there is a one round number is there. So there no need to be hurry. We'll take trade easily. Okay. And if we see, we can able to draw a level here. As because market is getting reversed again, it may get reversed here too. So in this one, buyer's entry. Still there is a gap. If we draw a trend line like that, there is a gap. If we draw a trend line like this, it's getting reversed, right? We has to check each and everything while we trading. So if we see whenever market reaches at this point, sellers are entering. But already previously sellers was there, but here there is no seller. So I will go with a higher option. So there is a more chances to break this level. There is a simple topic. Whenever you see in this momentum also we are seeing some sellers, right? After that sellers are entering. Even here also again market tried this point, but again sellers entry. Already we are seeing some sellers, but at this point there is no sellers entry, only one sellers. There is more chances to break this level and give us a profitable. So we have to check each and everything while we trading. You can see here. So I wanted to make around $5, but I wanted to make around $10 for him, but the market is very worst. And if market is also a downtrend, actually if it was a uptrend I used to go for a higher option, but it was a downtrend and it broke the level also, so we can't able to take a risk also here. So this one is accidental and this one is my fault. It's okay. So we'll see. Actually it has to be the buyers only, as because after this one buyers are entering very strongly and it wants to go more up. See here.
What we do here is go back.
So I will stop now. I will do later. If you see here, market is very weak candles and getting reverse in this price only, and here now market is moving for a trendy market. So only I'm waiting. If I get any opportunity, I can grab that one for better. So we'll see one level here. We are seeing sellers entry, and after breakout also sellers entry. So there is a one sellers entry over here, right? Yes, there is one sellers entry over here there. So after this angle, buyers entered very strongly. So there is a chance to enter now a sellers candle, as because of this level. There is a level over here. If there is no sellers entry, I can able to go with a higher option, as because I have doubt on this trade. So I can't able to take risk also, as because after this Marubozu there is a chance, more chances to enter sellers, but again buyers entry. So because of that there might be some chances to enter buyers. So we'll wait here. There is a chance to go for higher option only, but I have some doubt here to place trade. So don't do in frustration, because even I used to told him I don't take risk, but when you are frustrated or lost two or three trades, but he didn't listen me. He blow up all his account. So now we can able to go with higher option if it's a buyer's candle. I will take 1.15 or 18. See, that's a doji, so we can't able to take risk here. We has to check each and everything before while we place a trade. See, even this one also trendy market, so market is getting a trend now, so we can expect some of the trades now. We can grab the best opportunities which we get. So I'm placing a level here because from this point sellers enter very strongly, and from this point we can see a strong bias candle. So and even you can see here many reversals. So only I placed here that one. So if we see here buyers entry and there is no sellers buyers. Okay, okay, and there is no buyers from this point. So again sellers enter, again sellers entry. So again when sellers entry. So from this point is there any level of something? Nothing is there, but they waited for this one because there might be some bias over here because level is par, but here only they entered means there is a chance to enter buyers in this candle, as because it couldn't able to break this candle also, this doji candlestick. So we'll wait here, we'll wait this for this candle. Actually, I wanted make him to practice, but he making me only do practice with lower capital. We'll see now. Okay. There is more rejection, so I can able to go with the lower option here. I will go with lower option here. You've seen, right? There is so many rejections. I will show once in 5 seconds. See, you can see so many rejections in this one. So it shows us that market buyers are not that much interested, and already sellers are also interested. And if you see here, it wouldn't able to break this level also, right? When market become very weak and sellers entered, when buyers enter means they has to enter, at least it has to make a engulfing candle. But what they done, they couldn't able to break this, at least this weak candle, weak red candle, weak also. So there are more chances to enter a sellers only. After this candle also we can go with the seller option, but I don't want it to take trade now. So it's enough for me because I wanted to take trade only for 3 or 4 trades, but I made a 5 trades because I lost one trade. It's okay. So you can grow up your account like this. Always be patient. As I shown you, see, this is the risky trade. Even this was also risky trade because this is my luck. This is my bad luck because I wanted to take trade for this one, but I lose this one also. So when trendy market starts, it gave me a profit. Again, when trendy market start, again it gave me a profit. So see here, I thought it may go for a lower option, but it entering for a higher option. So we have to check each and everything. So only make it as limited as you possible, because we can't able to take risk all this one. Even $1 we can have one time meal. So thank you for watching my video, and if you are interested to join my one-on-one coaching class, you can contact me. My contact details, it is on description. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.